Good afternoon, ngayon po ay March 23, 2025, Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 23, 2025, Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, March 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 23, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, March 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 23, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.